The Cardiff Youth Service as a whole is quite big, thinking about different innovative ways to work with young people. When we were looking at the grants, it was sort of making sure we were hitting all different groups of young people, so whether that's from the mosque or whether that was disability. We hold youth action groups, so there's lots of different opportunities. We've got Careers Wales, Prince's Trust, the police, the leisure centre, government education, sports, creative arts. It's making sure that we sort of listen to them and they participate in it. They know better than anyone what they want to get involved in.
At the centre, we would provide a safe space for Cardiff Youth Services to run their activities from the centre. And they get the opportunity to take part in activities that perhaps wouldn't normally be available to them.
The nature of my partnership with Cardiff Youth Service is mainly to build the connections between the police and public, building a relationship with them to set them on a good path in life.
Before I came here, I was just so quiet. It's just helped me being myself around the people that I've only just met. They did enter me into a young volunteer, working with kids, so we'll come in here on the younger days and help out. I like it, yeah, it makes me feel good. From working with young children, I feel like I'm contributing to society.
It gives them that voice, it gives them that reassurance that, that they are being heard.
Doing lots of different activities with the young people helps with their personal growth, is kind of prepping them for life.